Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a cultural institution dedicated to preserving and showcasing Norway's rich heritage. It is located in Oslo, Norway. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Norwegian Museum, Norwegian Museum, Nor. We, Gen, Mu, C, Norwegian Museum. This museum encompasses various exhibitions, including art, history, and cultural artifacts, providing visitors with a comprehensive insight into Norway's past. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.